this is Julia and welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this perfect top, and it is crochet top. The idea is pretty much easy. The design is not mine. There were some changes in size and like in some little stuff, but the whole idea is by one Ukrainian girl. I'll leave the link to her channel, so please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go! All information about yarn and size of my hook you can find in the description box. I make 15 ear loops. You can see how I make ear loops on the video. I make a knot, insert my crochet hook into a loop and pull the yarn. I begin doing single crochets. I start with the second back loop of my chain. I insert my crochet hook into the back loop and pull the yarn. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. I pull the yarn through these 2 loops. I make 14 single crochets until the end of the chain. At the end of the chain, I make 1 ear loop, turn my top and do the next row. Now I make an elastic stitch. I make 76 rows. You can make more or less depending on your size. I make single crochet to connect my elastic stitch. I insert my hook into the back loop and into the front loop of 2 sides of my elastic stitch. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. I pull the yarn through them. I make an ear loop at the end. I turn my top and make single crochets around my elastic stitch. I made 76 rows, so I make 76 single crochets. At the end, I connect the last and the first stitches with a slip stitch. I insert my hook into the last and the first loops and pull the yarn through these loops. I make an ear loop, turn my top and make next row of single crochets. I begin with 3rd loop. I insert my hook into the whole loop, back and front. I make 11 rows depending on my size. It's time to make front. I make 38 single crochets and I don't make more. I make an ear loop, turn my top and make a single crochet. Then I decrease. I insert my hook into 1 loop and pull the yarn and into the next loop and pull the yarn. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I pull the yarn through them. I make single crochet until the end of the row. And when I have 3 loops, I decrease again and finish with a single crochet. I make an ear loop, turn my top and make the next row. I made 4 rows where I decreased and then I crocheted with a single crochet. It's time to make an elastic stitch. My elastic stitch consists of 3 parts. I begin with the front. I make a chain of 6 air loops. Beginning with the second air loop, I make 4 single crochets. I show you how I make the 5th. I insert my hook and pull the yarn. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. I insert my hook into the loop on my top and pull the yarn. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I pull the yarn through them. I make a single crochet. I turn my top and beginning with the second back loop, I make single crochets. I make an air loop and I crochet until the end of the front part. I cut the yarn at the end. I turn my top and make an elastic stitch on the back and side parts.
Three, two, one!
This is how I make my side part. I make shoulder strap with an elastic stitch. I do the other side of my top and a shoulder strap. I sew the shoulder straps with a needle. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Send me your pictures if you decided to recreate this top. I will leave the link to my Pinterest in the description box. And see ya in the next video. Bye!